Toastmasters, a speech evaluation is not a criticism. It's simply one person's reaction to a speech. It is the one time in our Toastmasters Club when a speaker gets to focus only on one person and sort of ignore some other people. But just to remind all of you, one of the purposes of an evaluation is to make sure the speaker knows what his strengths are and to make sure the speaker is encouraged to give more speeches. So now, Red, excellent speech. Wow, you have a lot of strengths, too many for me to mention, but I'll mention some that I really liked. I liked the way your voice and your gestures communicated emotion. You picked a good subject. It's very difficult to discuss emotions in a speech rather than simply facts, and you did just a wonderful job of doing that, and really a challenging topic. One of the goals here is to prepare ahead of time for your speech, and so I really like the fact that you went through and highlighted the parts of the manual, and you were very well prepared and really well organized. One of the parts of the organization that I like, because I really like well-crafted and well-written speeches, so I liked the beginning, I don't know where I'm from, mirroring the ending, but today I know where I'm going. I really liked that. I also like the fact that even though it's a factual speech, you added humor, and I don't know if this humor is universal, but it resonated with me because I thought I was brought here by aliens. So it's good to know I wasn't the only one who thinks that. In any kind of speech, though, we want to give you things to improve. These will not be scorching criticisms, okay? But one thing you could have done was to write an introduction ahead of time. It seems like you just wrote your own introduction, is that right? Yeah, which was very good, but you are allowed to write whatever you want in your introduction. The other thing is more of a personal request as your evaluator. Show up 5 minutes early to the meeting when you're giving a speech, because then we know you're here and you and I can maybe have a conversation ahead of time if there's anything specific to go over. One of the questions in the manual is, how well did you get to know the speaker? And I would say we got to know you very well, and we really like to get to know you better, so I am looking forward to your next